Okay, so here's how I actually use Comet. First, when I'm solving GK or reasoning questions and get stuck, I simply highlight the question, right-click, and select Ask Perplexity. The answer pops up on the sidebar right away. I don't have to leave the page or switch tabs. Honestly, this saves me a lot of time and keeps everything smooth when I'm studying. Second, I use voice commands to open any website or search inside it. No need to type anything. I just speak and it happens instantly. Like if I say, "How's the weather today?" it replies.
I've checked current weather details for Boston, MA. It's around 50 Fahrenheit, partly sunny, with a real feel of about 50 Fahrenheit. Winds are from the south at roughly 5 miles per hour, humidity is around 79%, and visibility is good at about 10 miles.
Now I will say, open YouTube and play DIY Perks video, and it plays it almost instantly. If you want to get Comet Browser for free, click on the link in the post.